Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Hong Kong using the Remitly app. So just open the app and tap on the home page, and in the home page you just have to tap on the top left corner of the screen where you can choose the recipient country, which is Hong Kong in our case. And when you choose the recipient country, you just have to tap on the get started icon, which should be on the bottom of the list on the screen. Get started, and here you can type in the amount of money that you would like to send to Hong Kong, and below that you can see the same amount in the recipient country's currency, which is Hong Kong in our case. Then tap on continue to see the delivery methods that are available. We have bank deposit and cash pickup, so just choose the one that you wish, and you can choose the bank that you would like to use. If you don't see the bank that you would like to use, you can always tap on choose another bank to see all the available banks in Hong Kong. So after you choose the bank, you just have to add the account number of your recipient, very important to type in correctly. Then add the first name and last name of your recipient. You can also add the phone number, but this is not mandatory, so you can also skip this step. You have to add the reason of sending, which you can choose from this list. Then tap on done, tap on continue. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, so the Remitly app can charge you for this amount, and the recipient is going to receive it in the form of a bank transfer in his bank account. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.